This is Tom Nally. I'm urban mountain biking on October 12th, 2012 at about 9:15 a.m. I'm on pavement now, but I'll be on grass and canal banks later. I'm riding along the canal banks on General de Gaulle. I'm only about 1.3 miles into my ride, and it's soggy and challenging pedaling along here. I'm 2.9 miles in. I have to traverse a little grass here, but about 50 yards up there is pavement again, so I'll be on that for about another mile or so, maybe a little bit less. Really should be in a lower gear, but I think I'm okay for this little. This grass is cut pretty short, so I'm all right. I'm about 3.6 miles into my ride so far. Up ahead of me, you can see a stoplight. There's a little bridge that goes over a canal, and then a stoplight up ahead. I'm currently in Orleans Parish, but once I get to the stoplight, I'll be in Jefferson Parish. At that point, I'm going to turn left, and ride about a mile and a quarter down the bank of the canal, and that'll be challenging. I'm about 4.1 miles in. I stopped because I need to rest. Been riding on soggy grass for about a half mile, but also because I think I see an alligator in the canal up ahead. Not sure, but we'll see. See if we can get a look at it. Without a doubt, it's an alligator. I'll try to zoom in. If I get up on the seawall, it'll probably scare it away, make it go under, but I'll give it a try. It's actually pretty hard to see, I think. There it is. It's right in the shadow. See if I can zoom in a little bit more. Looks to me like it's at least 6 foot. I don't know if the viewer can see it or not, but anyway, it's not. Didn't know there were alligators in this canal, which is not far from my house, but it doesn't surprise me that there are. It would be probably more surprising if there weren't. On unpaved surfaces. It's very tiring. I'm about 4.7 miles in. This is the first time I'm going to have to carry my bike over an obstacle, which is just this little gate here. And I suspect it'll be the only time also, and I think it'll go all right. Mushrooms or toadstools actually growing in a circle or semicircle. Why? I have no idea. I'm about 5 miles into my ride. I'm 5.4 miles in. This is the intercoastal waterway, and I'm on the crown of the levee, heading to ride down a couple miles or so. I think that this was dug in the 1930s as one of the WPA projects I've heard that it goes all the way along the entire eastern seaboard, or nearly so, and all the way down to Galveston, Texas. And if so, that's quite a project. It's August 8th, 2012. I'm Tom Nally. I'm about 6 miles into my urban bike riding adventure in the New Orleans metropolitan area. This is the Intercoastal Waterway. This is the levee. I'm riding on the crown of the levee right now, and woods on my right hand side. Up ahead of me, I expect to run into a Jefferson Parish drainage pump station pretty soon, and if that's true, and if I can make it over the gate to get there, that'll provide a little relief. Hope I don't have a flat tire. Hope I don't get a flat tire. I have another gate I'm going to have to traverse. I think I'm going to sit on those rebar right there. I'll straddle them and then try to lift my bike over and drop it if I have to, and then crawl myself over, pick up my bike, and hopefully be on my way in this direction. I'm at mile 6.7. Here's a gate that is too high for me to crawl over or lift my bike over, plus it has the little spiky wires at the top. So what I've done is I've kind of trampled down some weeds right at the edge of the shoreline of the Intercoastal Waterway. I'm going to walk my bike down there and then pick it up, carry it over some rocks, also called riprap, and then around the chain link fence, and then back up on the levee. And hopefully there are not too many more gates. I'm getting kind of tired of these. This will be the 4th one that I've had to work with. August 12th, 2012. I'm on mile 7 of my urban mountain bike ride in the metro New Orleans area. Still on the Intercoastal Waterway levee. What I like, 2 things about this spot. One is that there is a very nice private camp right here. I'm sure it's owned by a private individual, but it's beautiful looking. They have 3 or 4 boats, and it's very nicely landscaped. What I like even better, though, is that it looks like I'm getting ready to get back on pavement in this direction, and I appreciate the opportunity to do that. I'm going to see if I can ride down these railroad tracks. It'll be bumpy, but I'll be in low gear. I think it'll be okay. I've stopped here to get water and Gatorade. I'm probably about 7.5 miles into my urban mountain bike ride in the metropolitan New Orleans area, and I think I have about 6 or 7 miles to go, all on pavement. Everything's good. I'm at mile 10.7 on my urban mountain bike ride, New Orleans area. August 12th, 2012. I have about 2.5 miles to go, all paved surfaces. It's looking okay. I'm at 12.7 miles and within a quarter mile of being home, and my elapsed time is 1 hour and 56 minutes. And so this urban mountain bike ride is in the books. I'm Tom Nally. It is August 12th, 2012.